almost like yours with the marriage one.
Yeah, it was only active for about 5 years, and they officially terminated it. Okay, so the reasons behind it. So there's this guy named Jim Brady, and he was shot during an assassination attempt on President Reagan, March 30th, 1981. He managed to survive, but the bullet wound left him paralyzed. So then the act was then passed to help lower the risk of another shooting by tightening security on background checks. So the main provisions for the act, it called for a 5-day waiting period. Unlicensed dealers are then supposed to use the NICS check system to conduct a background check on individuals before they purchase a firearm to make sure you're not likely to go and kill a bunch of people. Long story. So main supporters of this act were Bill Clinton and Sarah Brady being Jim Brady's wife. And their arguments for it, there's a visible drop in homicides, gun crimes dropped by 35%, 2.1 million felons were unable to get firearms, and then there was an overall deduction of lies on forms from criminals and other individuals. So people who were opposed to it, the big one is the NRA. It was ruled to be unconstitutional, but they allowed it to remain active through local jurisdiction, which kind of made a mess later. So current issues involving gun control that related to this act, there's been a lot of mass shootings, like 9 times the average since 1982. A lot of people are in fear that their guns are soon going to be taken away because of all these shootings. And many people argue that taking away their guns is going to take away a large form of their self-defense in case an actual emergency happens. And then the big think tanks on these provided by Cato, CBS, and Proton. And then issues with federalism, one of the biggest ones, a lot of people were saying it was threatening the second, and in this case the 10th Amendment, right to bear arms, and yeah. And then it was ruled to be unconstitutional, but again, local governments allowed it to be active through choice, and that created a lot of confusion and a lot of issues because people were confused on whether or not, it was unconstitutional, should they use it, or was it still okay? So it created quite an uproar. Austin, I told you to take that off.
Oh, so he did do something.
Yep.